Nina besilo sanibonani babukele emakhaya nawo wonke umuntu obukele le video bengisacela mawumusha kule channel ucofoze usubscribe ubottom ulike ushare ucomment uvule notification ukuze uhlezi unotified ngakho konke okwenzeka kule channel sibuye.
Guys, this is Gareth Mnisi. He's the CFO, Chief Financial Officer, lapha eTshwane Municipality. He was implicated by Usejen Nkosi. He's manipulating the tenders at Tshwane Municipality. So Usejen Nkosi, this Gareth Mnisi, he's also part of the bid adjudication committee. If ever then there's a tender that is coming or there's a tender that needs to be awarded to a certain person, this guy, he can manipulate you or the tender would be given to you. So this guy, he was getting a salary of plus minus 124,000 per month, but his lifestyle, it was for somebody Ohola plus minus 3 million per month because he has a fleet of cars and he's living a lavish lifestyle. So what I picked up when he was appearing at Nhlahla Commission of Inquiry, guys, you could tell this guy, he's an A student. He articulates very well, and when he's explaining, he explains in detail to advocate or senior counsel Uchaskalsin our chakalak. So you could tell where was umsebenzi wakhe and futhi he's learned. But the problem with these people like Abafana Naiguti, you master your job and then at the same time you end up mastering corruption. So this guy, I'm not saying he's corrupt, but if ever you know very well your job, you end up knowing loopholes in your job. Because this guy, what I also pick up with actually laptop yake being disturbed because he was presenting his testimony using a laptop. I think he's the first person to testifying so fast. Is what he was speaking so fast to such an extent. Sometimes we are sharing somewhere. But he's also continuing on Monday with a cross-examination. I'm telling you, Yabona, on Monday, that's where Uchakalaka, he will pry him. I know, usually at Nhlahla Commission of Inquiry, day one, you swim and then come the cross-examination, you will drown. So let's wait on Monday, what is unfolding. But I can tell you, this guy, there's no way, such an Nkosi and I'm implicated and Tologuti, he's innocent. Actually, when I think with the SIU, they must confiscate some of these things, and also they must also take that laptop because it shows the evidence about it's in that laptop. So let me know in the comment section with what do you think about testimony Gareth Mnisi.
Thanks, Chair. Paragraph 35 and 36, I confirm for the record that I do not know Mr. Joseph Banyoni. I have never had any direct or indirect, either through Sergeant Corsi or any other person, any relationship, associations or dealing with him, nor have I ever had any personal, professional, or intermediate connection or interaction with him. On 36, I deal with the matter of Mr. Nhlahla, where I confirm that I did meet Mr. Nhlahla and I was introduced to him by Sergeant Corsi. The introduction happened in a social setting, Chair, and from my, view was entirely coincidental. On that occasion, Sergeant Nkosi suggested that we go to a restaurant better known as Wamaimai, which is known for serving a variety of traditional style street food. Sergeant Nkosi and the gentleman coincidentally, according to my observation, encountered each other at the restaurant, and Sergeant Nkosi obviously knew him. He then moved forward to introduce me to him. My interaction with Mr. Nhlahla was limited to being introduced to him, where we briefly exchanged pleasantries. There was no prior arrangement to meet up with him. During these exchange of pleasantries, he asked me for my contact details, which I provided to him. I also saved his numbers on my phone list. Notwithstanding the fact that I met Mr. Nhlahla as aforesaid, I reiterate that no meeting, engagement, or interaction of any nature ever took place between myself and Mr. Nhlahla through his or another's intervention.
You pronounce it Mqina. Is it Mqina or Mqina? It's written Mqina.
Mqina, Chair. Apologies.
Oh, thank you.
And I should probably have dealt with or asked you to address these two questions together, but for the sake of completeness, in paragraph 2.10, the question was asked, have you ever met or interacted with Mr. Sibanyoni, Mr. Vusimuzi Nhlahla, and Mr. Nhlahla? Please provide full details of the meetings, including those present at each, and the location and purpose of each such meeting, and that you answer at paragraph 40 on page 10.
Thank you, Chair. I reiterate that I have never met, communicated, or interacted with Mr. Joseph Manyoni in any manner whatsoever, nor have I ever had any direct or indirect engagement with him. I have never met, communicated, or interacted with Mr. Kusuke Nhlahla in any manner whatsoever. I accordingly confirm that no personal, professional, social, or official relationship has existed between myself and Mr. Nhlahla. I have